I do this every time nigga try to record, man. Y'all nigga try talking shit, man. Y'all nigga don't shut the fuck up, man. Nah, real trap shit.
It's King
Fuck that rap shit. I ain't with the phonery, y'all niggas some clones of me. Riding around every day, getting to the money. You niggas some dummy, I'm fucking on your bitch and her mommy. Riding around with a 308, chop and make a nigga blow away. Niggas ain't come to play, ain't catching no case. Catch down bad, we make his body dissipate. Lot of guns in the back like it's in Gatorade. Cars in the ceiling just like a concussion. Fuck with the game, gonna be some combustion. Bitch. Step back like you slow, I know that you know. I got your bitch a new hoe. He in the back playing do-si-do. I got her curling her toes.
Young nigga ballin', I don't need a coach. These niggas hating cause we do the most. Running on racks and I one kind of go. SAT fresh out the lot, how I'm wrong. In a wide body sideways, I'm skating that beat. Before I go, bro, I hit me a lick. Shot at my shooter, we stealing the bridge. Ain't no repenting, this chopper gon' get him, I know he a sin. They coppers and me ain't with the sponsoring. Go down with that Glock and on hitting shit. Try to switch or they ain't got rid of it. No, these niggas ain't with it, they full of it. Bullshit, we on that bullshit. These niggas talking that bullshit. Pull up, we spraying on full clips.
Sticks there, sticks here. I got sticks everywhere. Thought it was a hood affair, but it ain't no marriage here. Didn't take on a dinner date, we just smoking lava cake. She said she wants some jewelry. I said, babe, only thing I got is jewelry. Back to the trap with the sticks in the couch. Hit a bad bitch with a Glock on the couch. All the chains on with the jewelry, then clap. That's power, that's how we coming. So two said that's how we coming. Sideways through the block, that's how I'm drumming. Play with the game, you know she dumping.